good morning, good night, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. We're back for a new episode of Concrete Ninja. Nice size shed slab here. I'll have to guess the size for a while. I'll tell you later what the size is. But anyway, let's go. We got Deegan, we got Sean, we got Kevin the pump and his linesman, not sure his name. We got the big boss, and we got Brantos. Let's go, let's go. All right, this is our pad. We set this up a couple of weeks ago, or about a week ago actually. It's very hard to get concrete these days, but we're getting there. Pretty sure it's a 7 by 12 meter set. 7 by 12, so what's that? Work that out. About 80 squares for 2 trucks. Let's go. Alright guys, we got concrete. Let's go. We're going to go around the outside first. See what we can get on camera for you guys. Okay, we got a bit in so far. Screwed these 2 bays off. That was 1 truck. We went around the beams and stuff a bit. I'll put you on here. Got myself a new tripod. Put you on here and we'll get you on time lapse. Let's go. Play the music. Alright guys, that was that little bit. We're just waiting for the plus load now. It's a nice hot day here today. It's about, I think we start pouring concrete about 8:30, 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock I reckon. So, one of the hottest parts of the day. It's all good. We'll be doing it. Okay, I just bull floated all that up. Screwed it off, bull floated myself. Now we're going to do the last little bit. We just had to wait for the last little truck. Hasn't taken us that long. Probably took us about 40 minutes so far. Probably take us an hour to do it all. All good.
The grey stuff's concrete.
It's, what is it?
Concrete.
Oh, consent cement.
Consent cement?
Consentiment. Thanks, boss. Alright guys, she is all in. All bull floated off. First bull plate we had was a little bit bent over there, so had to get a new one, and we fixed it all up, so it was all good. String lines are up, we're getting pulling down, pump's about to go. See the boss? Look at the boss. The boss is washing the tools up. See, you're never too special not to. He just loses the brush. He works too fast, this boss does. Anyway, all right, we'll see when we start finishing the slab. Enjoy your day. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Concrete Ninja. Haven't been around for a while. I've been just doing sheds, so I haven't been doing little easy jobs and stuff, and the weather's been really bad, so we haven't been doing that much work really. But anyway, today I'm gonna make a video for you. So this is a 7 by 12 shed or something?
16 by 7.
16 by 7. Ah, so it is a bit bigger than 100 and something squares. I'll work it out later what it is. Ah, making a lot of noise over there. Alright, we'll see you down in the mud. Hope you enjoy. Make sure you hit the like button, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Don't be shy. Okay, we're away. We've just done this one garage rebate here. There's a little tiny door here. And the boys are on the maggot on the edges. I'm waiting to use the helicopter. We just dug this one out. Gonna run the screed along it again. Clean it up a little bit as we dry. Beautiful day here in Australia. Got some concreting. Hope you guys are enjoying your day. I'm enjoying my day. It's a Monday here in Australia. First day of the week. Let's go. Make sure to hit that like button for me. Thanks. Okay, we're about to go on the helicopter. We fixed the rebates up a bit more. Made them look a bit nicer. As they dry, you just work them and work them. Don't play with them too much when they're wet because they'll just sink on you. And the next one here. Boys are bringing the chopper. Try and bring it up here, boys, if you can. Keep coming, keep coming. No, go up here. Sorry. Just go there.
How we got on side?
Put 1 foot out. Yep.
Foot
One big foot out. Yep. Beautiful. Thank you. All right, I'm gonna start hitting this up. Okay, that's the first bit of hit done. Only made it halfway, but next hit should do the whole lot, I reckon. And should be away. Vegan's on the edges. Racking the edges up. Still pretty wet there, go. Yeah, was a bit juicy. All right, and Brant's on the rebate. All good over there, Brant?
Yeah, man.
Looking good. Okay, guys, I've just given it 1 hit over the whole lot now. It started going off down here a bit more, the second load. And the third load was, it's all right. Probably a little bit early, but it was okay. All right, we give it 1 hit. Now time to give it the next hit. Play some music, Ninja. Alright guys, we're flat out. There's a bit of a helicopter in there. It's going pretty good so far. Boys are starting to strip now, so let's go. So that was the second hit. Second hit all the way down. Looking beautiful. Good work guys, good work. I like the style. Okay, that was that hit on the time lapse. We're gonna hit it again, and it should be nearly finished. So, hope he's enjoying that today. Sean's stripping away, Brant's stripping away, Deegan's doing the edges. Brant did the rebates with me. All good. In the hood. All good, Sean?
All good.
Good stuff, mate. Going good, buddy. Okay, it's 1:15, and the slab is virtually done. All the way down to here. Just got to do this last little bit here, and that's it. We could leave it like that, but we want to make it all look the same, so we'll just finish it off a little bit more, burn it off a little bit more. All the boys have stripped the job so far. So clean the timbers up, pack them away, and we're finished. Awesome Monday. Beautiful day, beautiful day. It's definitely a good sized shed. What size shed would you guys like in your house? This is a 16 by 7, I think. 16 by 7. 16 meters long, 7 meters wide. Looks good. All right, that's it. I'll see you when I'm nearly finished. All right, guys, we have finished the slab. Boys are just packing the boxing away, cleaning it up, putting it on the trailer, on the truck, I should say. Set the helicopter off. Beautiful blackness. We'll go for a little walk around so you can see all the different angles and jangles. We had no diesel today, so we couldn't spray the boxing. The boxing was a little bit sticky, but the rebate's pretty good still. Can't complain too much. Nice big slab up. The good old tripod worked really good. She might have to pick that up actually. Take that with us while we go for a walk around the slab. Have a little look. That looks good. Really good. Can't complain. Nice little rebate there. Must be a big double garage door here. But that's it. Beautiful. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that little episode of Concrete Ninja. Haven't done a full episode for a while since like I was saying, I've got a new job, I'm working with a new crew, and there's been a lot of weather around, so we haven't really been doing that much. But anyway, hope you enjoyed that. If you can give us a like, that'd be awesome. Hit the subscribe button, that would be even better. And I'll see you all next episode. See you guys, have fun, eh? Good work. Yoo-hoo! See you, Diggs. Deegan's lifting boards up. Good boy. Alright, see you all next time. Bye. Beautiful. Slab of the week. It's Monday. First slab down.